Giroux Poultry is a fourth generation poultry operation located here in northeastern New York. We're about an hour south of Montreal in the Champlain Valley on Lake Champlain. We started, my grandfather had typical dairy and poultry, small poultry operation, and my father in the early 60s went strictly poultry. We're egg production facility with that is very integrated. We have pullets, layers, and we have a feed mill on farm. We belong to part of a hatchery as well. It produces our chicks for the farm, so it makes us a fairly integrated operation. Giroux Poultry, we service and distribute here in the Northeast, I would say the eastern half of New York and the New England region. We have white egg production, we have brown egg production, we have cage production, we have cage-free production. Our newer facilities are the enrichable colony cage. Our newer cage-free production is the aviary. So we're, again, fairly integrated and diverse in our production systems here at Giroux Poultry.
We've had the Omnia 500 in production now for about 5 years. Originally, the Omnia came with traditional mechanical stamp daters. Those daters did present some challenges, not only at startup with lining good print, but also the print quality, as well as things like we're throwing out wasted cartons and also the man hours associated with those prints. At the end of the shift, we'd have to clean the print stamps and align them. We're averaging 2 hours between both plants per night just with stamp preparation, and we've seen an area for improvement there. When we started looking at inkjet printers, there was several vendors out there. I looked closely at 4 or 5 of the competitors. We decided to choose Hitachi's RX series. A big part of that was their service team, sales and service. They came on site. It was family oriented right from the start. First name basis. We could joke around, and it was truly a comfortable feeling when they decided to spend all day with me doing mock setups and took the time to really prove their product and explain it, and gave me a peace of mind moving forward that they'd be with us for the long haul. Right off the bat, we've noticed immediate startups, no delays, quality prints, and our turnover during the day for different products, it's quick and easy. The screen is really easy to interact with. All the operators are having no problems with that. And certainly we're eliminating our carton waste, as well as that man hours associated with the old mechanical daters. And from a maintenance point of view, with the mechanical, anything that moves, breaks, or wears, so that's been eliminated as well. The Hitachi RX has been a great printer, and certainly I'd recommend it to anybody.